The next topic is about the causes of the fall of East Pakistan. Separation of East Pakistan was a great tragedy for all the Muslims all over the world. It was a moment of sorrow for all the Muslims, especially the Muslims who were living in West Pakistan. This tragic incident took place on 16 December 1971 when East Pakistan became Bangladesh. We will discuss about the reasons. First one is problem of geographical location. You know that unluckily both parts of Pakistan were at a distance of 1600 km and India was in between the two parts. Definitely this physical distance was creating problems in defense, especially in transportation. Second one is language issue. After the establishment of Pakistan, Urdu was adopted as national language. The people of East Pakistan wanted Bengali as a national language because definitely they loved their language, their literature, and they used to speak Bengali. And the people of West Pakistan wanted that Urdu should be adopted as the national language of Pakistan. So after independence, when central government declared only Urdu as national language, the people in East Pakistan demonstrated and launched a movement in favor of Bengali and against the central government. After some time, the central government declared both Urdu and Bengali as national languages. But now the time had passed. The people of East Pakistan disliked the people of West Pakistan. And the issue of language reached the Bengali nationalism. Next one is deviation from democratic values. First of all, in Pakistan, new constitution was prepared after a long period of 9 years. The different pillars of the government opposed each other. In 1956, first constitution was prepared, but after 2.5 years, this constitution was abolished, and once again a never-ending military dictatorship was becoming strong. Awami League, the winning party of 1970 election, was deprived of the power by one pretext or another. And this was the main reason for the separation of East Pakistan. Next one is economic disparity. When Pakistan came into being, it was not economically stable. But the ratio of poverty in Pakistan was very high due to different causes. The people of East Pakistan were of the opinion that their backwardness will be finished with the establishment of Pakistan. But after the establishment of Pakistan, their dreams remained incomplete because the people of both sides quarrel with each other. Besides, there was displeasure due to the undemocratic attitude of the politicians. When Sheikh Mujibur Rahman gave his 6-point formula, in 6-point formula, the main point was about the provincial autonomy. He demanded the provincial autonomy for East Pakistan, and he said to the people that without provincial autonomy, the progress of East Pakistan is impossible. This point was not acceptable to the central government. At last, when the elections of 1970 was held and Mujibur Rahman got victory, then Yahya Khan did not transfer the power to Mujibur Rahman. After that, Mujibur Rahman demanded provincial autonomy. The next point is about military action. Political restlessness and armed struggle of Awami League in East Pakistan was termed as revolt by the government of Pakistan and took action in East Pakistan. The people of armed persons, citizens were killed in the military action. As a result, the people of East Pakistan became enemies of the army, enemies of the central government. When last governor of East Pakistan, Muhammad Malik, advised President General Yahya Khan to solve the matter through political means, at that time his proposals were not taken into account. The next topic is about role of India and superpowers. You know that India is our enemy from the very beginning. So, taking advantage of the internal political situation of Pakistan, the superpowers and Indian army used to interfere in East Pakistan through different means. Indian army imparted military training to the escaped refugees from East Pakistan. Indian government also provided weapons. Later on, when American government declared that American marine craft in Indian Ocean is coming to save West Pakistan instead of East Pakistan, this was also the main cause of separation of East Pakistan.